Hello, I'm Gary, and this is
Natasha.
And we're heading to Hilton Head from Ontario, Canada.
Hilton Head, South Carolina.
Yeah, what she said. Anyway, follow us and get on board, and we're leaving. Let's go. Okay, so we just pulled over at the Cracker Barrel, and I made a big mistake. I forgot. The portion sizes down here are huge. Freaking huge.
I didn't forget.
And now I can barely move. Tasha's gonna have to push the gas pedal because I don't think I could do it.
What did you get to eat, Gary?
I had buttermilk chicken, country style. 4 huge, I mean honking huge pieces of chicken rolled in buttermilk, and then 2 sides and sweet tea.
You enjoyed it.
I did. It was really good. Really, really good. But from now on, I'm just gonna get an entree and share it, and that'll be good. But yeah, so really good food. I love Southern cooking, but I forgot how much they make down here. So wow. And it was cheap. Like it was, the 2 of us ate for like 25 bucks. Yeah, and that was a lot of food. Did you like yours?
Yeah, I mean, it was good. I had a salad. So it wasn't as exciting as your buttermilk chicken.
No.
It was good. And I'm not stuffed and loaded.
Oh, you're gonna have to open the car door for me now.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Okay, this is our new room at Hilton Head, and this is where we're going to be staying for the next couple of days. Hello.
Welcome.
Hi. So, oh, we got a microwave and a little fridge down here for the zesty beverages. That's in there. Oh, you got some knives and forks, and oh, there's a wine opener. Oh, good. We might need that. Some paper towel and some dish soap so you can wash your dishes. Some cups. It's kind of cool. And some artwork. Big bathroom. It's a big bathroom. Who's that guy? Yeah, it's very big. Big shower. So it's like it's no bathtub, but there's a shower with a nice shower head. And some toiletries in here. Oh, that's the fan that's blowing in here. It's a bit distracting. And what's this? Is this a closet with a safe? Or that's like a utility closet?
Yeah, the closet's right behind the door here.
Oh, I see. You got vacuum and extra pillows and blanket.
Safe behind the back.
That's cool.
Lots of cleaning stuff because we don't get housekeeping every day.
You don't?
Housekeeping, I think every 4 days or something with BBC.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we clean.
And this is our bedroom / living room for the next few days. So it's a queen size bed with a pull-out sofa bed. I think that's a pull-out sofa. Let me see. Yep, pull-out sofa. There's chair and tables. Big screen TV with a. That's all our stuff over there, so it's a little messy. But that was all clean before we got here. Big screen TV and a fan on the ceiling. It's nice because it's pretty warm here. At least for us. We're Canadian, so everything's warm here. We're just going to go out on the deck, on the balcony here. Oh, okay. There's a little picnic table. And, oh, it's a nice view. Pretty. Except we got a tree right in front of us. Oh, that's disappointing, but all right. Couple of little chairs for me and Natasha to sit out here and enjoy our zesty beverages. One of the things I noticed, I'm not going to show you the rest of the room because it's a little messy right now. We've been here for 3 or 4 days. But the water, there's no ledge here. There's no ledge here. It's just a flat surface. There's a tiny lip. But when you run the water, it accumulates and it comes out on the floor here. And it
kind of works back. I put some towels there to keep it out of the way. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's for accessibility for people to get in and out of the shower, but water builds up there, and I think we did say when we first got here there was a bit of a musty smell. I think that might have something to do with it. It's not here anymore. By the second day it was gone, but we did notice a little bit of damp smell when we walked in. But yeah, so just that's something that I don't know why they would do it like that, but just put a couple towels there and it's fine. But just
yeah, so I'm here at Hilton Head, and this is our third day, so I thought I'd just go and do a quick tour of Hilton Head DVC, and so you guys can see it, and I'll share some of the good, some of the bad, and the ugly, but we had a great time. One thing that when we checked in, we asked for a top room because we didn't want anybody above us making noise, and our check-in attendant said, well, we're technically on the top floor because you share a roof with the lobby, which was actually, it was miscommunication. He was misinformed on that, because if you look at, I'll try to show you the roof. There is the roof that we share, technically, but there's a whole third floor. This is our floor. That's the top floor. So that was a bit of a miscommunication. So I just went into the lobby and I asked, and they said, yeah, absolutely. You were misinformed. That's wrong. But in the future, if you want to get the top floor, when you're making a reservation, if you do it online, call and book ahead.